viruses, worms, and other malware, and physical thief. So, PCS is ito yung mga viruses or unfamiliar apps na pumapasok sa phone natin. Next is databases, unauthorized access, copying, and thief. So, next is human error. Organizational employees span the breadth and depth of organization from mail clerk to the CEO and across all functional areas. There are two important points to be made about employees. First is the higher level of employees, the greater and threat he or she poses to information security. This is true because higher level employees typically have greater access to corporate data and they enjoy greater privilege to organizational information system. So, human error is yung mga empleyado mula sa mail clerk hanggang sa CEO ay dapat meron na lalim na samahan o kooperasyon. And yung may mga matataas na antas or tungkulin na empleyado is meron sila agad na kakayahang makuha agad ang impormasyon kung gugustuhin nila. And because of that, they enjoy their work because of greater privilege in the organizational information system. Second, employees in two areas of organization pose especially significant threats to information security, human resources, and information system. Human resources employees generally have access to sensitive personal information about all employees. Likewise, information security employees not only have access to sensitive organizational data, but they often control the means to create, store, transmit, and modify that data. So, yung mga human resources, sila yung mga nakakaalam lahat ng information about sa mga empleyado ng kumpanya. At ang mga empleyado naman ng information security, meron naman silang kakayahan na baguhin ang mga nakapaloob sa data ng bawat empleyado. Other employee includes contract labor, consultant, and janitor and guard. Contract labor such as temporary hire may be overlooked an information arrangement. However, these employees often have access to the company's network, information system, and information assets. Consultant, although technically not employee, perform work for the company. Depending on the nature of their work, they may also have access to company network